Today, we will unbox the CG Flow Xpert car washer pump and explain the installation instructions. Before starting the pump, let's go through everything step by step. Unboxing. First, we remove the strap. The box has a full flap design with strong, high GSM cardboard. This design is better for stacking and reduces transit damage and water exposure. Inside, you'll find the accessories packed neatly. These include pressure gauge, suction connector, suction filter connector, strainer, foam bottle, pressure spray gun, suction hose, pressure hose pipe, the inlet and outlet pipe to fit as indicated direction. The pressure gauge fits in this spot if required. Important outlet refill here engine oil every 20 to 50 hours of use. You can check the oil level using this pin. This is the warranty card. It explains the installation process, oil replacement schedule, and how to refill oil properly. Installation. The suction filter goes in the inlet line. Next, here it is a push-button connector. Easy to connect without any extra accessories. For the delivery pipe, it's also a push and lock system. Just push and pull to lock it, no spanners needed. After that, tighten the threads and fix the gun. Here is the soap foam bottle. You can add it if needed or skip it. Final look. This is the complete pump setup, CG Flow Xpert. The gun can be adjusted based on your pressure or flow requirement. And here are the on-off switches. That's it. Simple and easy installation for anyone. Thanks for watching.